Welcome to the video presentation of the Polixen app. When you've downloaded the app, you can now log in. This is the main screen you'll see, which you'll put the BCD in, and then your name, which will be in lowercase, and then you put your password in, which will then come to the main page. We see the preview of the job screen. This is where list of jobs you'll see, but today there's no jobs there, so shortly we'll go back and look at some previous jobs that were created, and we'll show you how to use the app. Okay, so here's the list of jobs from a previous day that we created. These are the job details. We've got one community access and one help with that, so we'll use the community access one first, and we'll see the job details, and then we can click on the address button, and it will take you to a map preview of the directions for the job and the location of the job and the travel distance and so forth. This will help you to get directions to the job as well. So we'll just return back to the main window. Now we can look at the documents by clicking on the documents for the job, and we can see all the documents for the job that we need to see. Just by clicking on documents, it will open up another window, and you'll see the preview of the documents. And then we close it, and then return to the main menu again. Now we can look at the job notes, and we can, in this job notes, we can add job notes, we can delete job notes, but in this exercise we'll just add a job note. And here we'll just put the job note in now. Isn't spell check wonderful? It does spell check for you, and you can type and it will check your spelling as you go. That's the beauty about this. Okay, once you're satisfied, we click on update details, and then we can check in and check out, putting our times and our travel times in for this job, which is the next part of the demonstration. Here you'll see the time in, so we're just going to put the time in just for demonstration use. We'll use the 1 minute 1:25, and then we'll put in the closing time. We've been there for an hour to say, so we'll put 2:25. And next thing, we'll put the kilometers in. Total kilometers traveled to this job. We'll just put, say, let's just put, say, 10 kilometers. And total kilometers for the customer, we'll just say, we'll put, let's just put 5. And sometimes you may need to move the screen up just to see, but just don't worry, just put 5 in, and just tap in the white part of the window, and I'll bring it back and just update details. The job's been saved, and now you see the job is completed and shown green. That job is now closed. Okay, let's do the next job for demonstration purposes. Okay, we'll go to the next job, Holtwood Shores job. Just check the map directions again like we did last time. Here we can get the directions to the job, and we can get and so forth. Okay, we'll click on the job's descriptions of the note documents for this job, as like we did before. So we just click on the documents thing, it'll open up and it'll show you a preview of the job, and that way you can just slide up and we go back to the main window, and then we can add job notes for this too. Now this time we're going to be deleting the job note and adding a new job note. So there we're in the window. Now we're deleting the job note. And now we're just going to add a new job note. And this is what we're going to type. And we're typing away. And customer happy. no, enter, okay, no, enter, okay, I like spell check, is so cool. Okay, so we'll just backspace it. And it'll show you the right spelling of the word incidents in a minute. There we go, there it is, click on incidents, then click up update notes, and it takes us back to main chat. Now, like we did before, we'll go and check in and check out our times manually, but this time we will do it automatically. But first we'll do the time, so do it manually again. We'll put 2:28 p.m. and then we'll go 3:20 p.m. Close the job off. Then we'll add the kilometers. For this kilometers, we'll put in 15 kilometers and put traveling distance. Let's just put 10. And that shows. But if you arrived on time on site for this job and you're leaving the job on time, we can use this other feature, use the scheduled times button, which is the blue button above you stating use scheduled times. You click on that and it shows time, but you can amend the time if you need to for in and out of this if you need to. Just update times. And back to the main window, it updates the job. Job complete, now showing completed. All jobs are now complete. Now we can go check if there's any other new jobs coming in or if there's any new jobs. There isn't any. So let's go back to the main window, checking back to the completed jobs. Now with this we can also go back to the jobs and go back if needed and update any notes if required for the jobs. We can do this by doing this and just go update details if you did that. If you're happy and satisfied that everything's complete, just update the details. Once all jobs are cleared, please log off securely off the app so it's now safe and secure. By just clicking the log off button, and that's it. You can close the window. Thank you for the demonstration, watching this demonstration.